Day after day, you examine lots of specimens in labs all over the world. For each examination, you need to identify a representative region and be able to navigate within the sample at different microscopes: light, electron, ion, X-ray, and many more. Next, you need to combine and adjust all the data you've acquired to get a thorough understanding of the specimen. And then comes the task of overlaying images, also quite difficult when you're using several devices. All of this takes lots of effort. Whether you're analyzing a living cell to detect cancer behavior or performing defects research on a metal gear wheel, it is correlative microscopy that delivers unique insights into your sample and lets you acquire relevant data in less time. So what exactly is correlative microscopy? Correlative microscopy is much more than simply a combination of microscopes. It is also about software, techniques, and data. It provides streamlined, easy-to-use workflows, insights into your sample like you've never seen before, less time and effort spent on data acquisition, meaning more time for the important things in life. All thanks to the correlative solution from Zeiss.